So now we will see what is the Gauss law. I have already told you the Gauss law states that the amount of the charge that is enclosed in a volume that is created by the closed surface is equal to the amount of the flux that is coming out of that particular volume. So which we can see now as with the help of small demonstration. So now let us assume this is a closed surface. The volume that is created by the closed surface. This is a surface, and this volume is contained. The water is contained within this volume, and you can assume this water as charge here. So what about the Gauss law? Gauss law states that amount of the charge that is present within the closed surface is equal to the amount of the flux, that is net amount of the flux that is coming out of this volume. The flux, this actually is the basis for our law of conservation of charge. The charge is neither created nor destroyed, so whatever the charge that is there within it will be coming out like this. So whatever the total charge that is present in this volume is equal to the amount of the flux that is coming out. In other words, this is nothing but the divergence of the amount of the flux, electric flux, that is coming out of the volume is nothing but the total charge that is present within the volume, which is nothing but rho v. So del dot v d, del dot d is nothing but the flux density. Divergence of that particular flux density, divergence, is equal to the total charge that is contained within the volume. See, this is nothing but the Gauss law.